Hey guys, today I will be unboxing the Nike Vomero Plus in size US 10s, men's. Yep, so very simple box, typical Nike. And here's the shoes themselves. Yep. As you can see, it's got the ZoomX branding on the midsole. And here's the outsole. Yep, it's got a heel tab as well. Makes it easy to put on. Sweet, and on the tongue it's quite padded. It's quite plush, and on the insole there's more Vomero branding. So yeah, I'll put it on, then I'll let you know. But I did, there wasn't a 9.5 available, so I just got a 10. But I'll see how it fits. Sweet. Sweet. So my toe, yeah, it does fit like a size 10. So there's a little bit of space for my toe. So I would recommend going true to size, but I can easily adjust the laces. You guys can just easily do that if it is a bit loose. I'll put on the other shoe as well so I can stand up. Sweet. Yep. Yeah, the cushioning is very soft, especially when I press down on the heel. Yeah, and it is very tall. Yeah, but it is very comfortable even just to stand around. So I think I can wear them casually as well. Yep, and the tongue is pretty comfortable as well. Alright, thank you for watching.